Okay, this video intends to demonstrate the newest features in Verbingo. Today is the 13th of August and 2014, and these are the latest features. Number one, though, I want to remind everybody to watch this video that is in the landing page area, how to most effectively use translation memory in Verbingo. This demonstrates our philosophy on how this tool needs to be used. So please watch it if you are a translator. Another thing I want to remind everybody to do is go to their profile page and fill this out, please, especially your email and, if possible, your first name and a picture, so that we can get to know our community better here, know who you are, and especially so we can communicate with you when we have new projects to send you. One quick thing that I want to show also is on the leaderboard. We've finally got our rankings working again, as well as the Verbatim Solutions projects. So we will start using this data over here more and more to start assigning projects to translators that we know and trust. And this also gives you a chance to see where you rank in our rankings and to establish relationships with us. So we use this to assign projects, and we hope that translators will seek to have 5 stars so that we know that you are the best and providing a good service. Okay, so into the editor, I'm going to open up a project and show you some of our new features. This is a completed project, 100%, so it takes a second to load. When it does load, you will find on the right side here the settings icon. And we've added, there it goes, we've added more features here. So if you click on the settings icon, it pops up the dialog. Notice at the bottom we've added the ability to turn machine translation on or off. This can be beneficial or it cannot. And if you don't like it, you turn it off. The default is to be on. Also, segment filtering. This allows you to do exactly what you need. Do you need to review? Do you need to translate? Do you need to do both? We allow you to change how the segments are displayed. So, for example, if you want to just show untranslated, you'd click this and notice there are none, so none display. But if I want to show segments that are translated but not reviewed, I can click on this one and it'll only show the segments with the red dot, because these are the ones that are not reviewed. And so you can play with those and see which filter you want. The default is have no filter on. Okay, so the other quick thing that we've put in here is if you do a search on a word and hit enter, the results will show up highlighted. And we had a request for that, and so this will help you to see where that word shows up in the source. The other thing that I want to show you is the most important one that a lot of you requested, and that's this little blue button. Now, this blue button allows you to search in the target in a translation. So if I want to find a certain word, I can then hit the blue button, and this will bring up every occurrence in the translation, not in the source, but in the translation. And this is our search and replace feature, where you will see every word highlighted. You can click on the word to turn on that particular one or not. Notice the check marks here. And then you can, with one action, you could change that word if you like. I'm not going to do it here, but you can type in, something, and it will replace the entire thing. Now, this has been requested a lot, but I want to point out one important thing, and that is these changes are only reflected in this particular project. They are not reflected throughout a client's entire translation memory. We do not give translators that power. So you have to be aware that if you are making global changes to this project, they may not be made to the entire translation memory. And you need to remember to be in line with the translation memory first. And that is where things are a little bit different. So use this tool to your benefit and advantage, but don't let it don't use it incorrectly, or it will get you in trouble. All right, that's all I wanted to show today. I'm going to post this video, and if you have any questions, as always, let us know, and we enjoy your feedback. Please, again, be sure to use the the reporting feature on the home page here. If you want to report a bug or leave feedback, we listen to you, and we are making these features based on your suggestions. So again, thank you for your help, and I will talk with you soon.